Okay, so kabalo na ta, now we know our mathematical operations. But, question, Mama, asa man na nato gamiton ang mathematical operations? Gamiton nato na sa pag-multiply, pag-divide, pag-add, o pag-subtract, og mga numbers, og mga expressions, algebraic expressions. So, numbers, kabalo na kadaan nga, ang numbers nato dili lang usa ka type. We have many different types of numbers. One is the whole numbers, which is our counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Kabalo na kaana. And then, we also have integers. Integers, they are the numbers which includes the counting numbers. And this time, 0 is included. 0 is an integer. And we have the negative counterpart of our counting numbers, which is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. So, muna yung mga integers, okay? Then, we have rational numbers. Rational numbers, muna siya ang mga numbers nga ma-express into fractions. Alright, for example, 0.5. Yes, we know 0.5 is an integer. Okay, but it can be expressed into fraction as well. For example, if we express 0.5 into fraction, that is 1/2. Right? So, meaning 0.5 is an integer and also it is considered as rational number. Okay. Another example, 1/4 or 0.25. 0.25 is a decimal number, pero pwede po nato siya ma-express into fraction as 1/4 or 1/4. So, meaning, 0.25 is an integer, yes, but you can also consider it as rational number. Unya, Mama, unsa man ang irrational number? Irrational numbers, these are the numbers that we cannot express into fraction. Okay, so, like I said, irrational numbers are those numbers that we cannot express into fraction. And one example is square root of 2. Kung naakay calculator din ha, kung imo ni i-calculate sa calculator ang square root of 2, manotice nimo nga ang answer is decimal number nga ang point is endless. Unya dili siya balik-balik, unya ang number bitaw niya is until infinity, endless. So ang kanang mga ingon ana nga numbers, ang tawag ana is irrational number. Okay? And then, alright, so unsa man pod ning kuan, algebraic expression. So algebraic expression is simply build up or combination of variables, exponents, whole number, unya napag yung mga operations inside. For example, this one what I have here. See kani 2x squared, kini siya alone is an expression, algebraic expression. Makita nimo nganong algebraic expression man ang tawag ana. Kay you see, pag naana na gani variable, ang x here is not an operation, okay? This is variable. Pag naana gani variable, algebraic expression na siya. Okay? So, kaning 2x square is an algebraic expression. Kini, 5 is whole number. Kini, naa sa sulod sa parenthesis, is an operation. Okay, nga nang gipat parenthesis man ni siya diri Mama. Kini, wala ni siya nagpasabot nga multiply, okay? Gisud ni siya din sa parenthesis, pasabot nga kining entire thing should be added plus to this. Okay, so pag humani mo og simplify aning sulod, i-add nimo ning na diri ngadto diri. Okay? Dayon kining entire thing pag humani mo ma-solve na ni tanan or ma-simplify ni nimong taas, ang entire thing should be divided into this. Okay, so this is algebraic expression alone by itself. Pero pag dungagan nimo siya plus 5, algebraic expression gihapon ni siyang whole thing kini. Kini is an algebraic expression by itself. Pero kung kini plus kini, considered siya po na siyang algebraic expression kay build up man or a group of algebraic expression, numbers, operations, etc. Okay? So, kining tanan, this, divided by this, kining tanan, this is one algebraic expression. Okay? Pero kung, example, tanggalon ako kani lang akong ibilin. This is still an algebraic expression. Okay? Tanggalon ako kani ra akong ibilin. Algebraic expression gihapon. The same goes to here. Tanggalon ako tanan, kani ra akong ibilin. Algebraic expression gihapon ni. Pero kung kani lang akong ibilin, kini, this is not an algebraic expression kay wala siya variable. This is actually a whole number. Okay? Kung kani ra pud akong ibilin, this is actually a whole number. So, understood? Algebraic expression is built up of or combination of algebraic expressions, whole number, operations, tanan na, combined. Okay? Algebraic expression ang tawag ana. But, ayaw kalibog ha, kay natin algebraic expressions, algebraic equation. Right now, we are only talking about algebraic expression. Pag equation, that's a different story. Okay, nana na siya equals. So, kini, if you notice, just an expression, walay equals. Alright? So, this is just an expression. Pag nana ganina equals something, then that is what we call algebraic equation. That will be discussed in the next following topics. But right now, we are only talking about algebraic expression. Okay? So,